Trading.
Trading's dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Dangerous.
It's dangerous stuff.
Let's do it.
Don't do it. Hello and welcome, traders. This is going to be a very short recap. I don't even know why I'm doing it, because on Friday I already said I probably wouldn't get out of bed for this market. We're still in a very event-driven market, and there were no news announced for today. And we have Feds coming up on Wednesday, so that usually means, just watch last Monday, that it's going to be a very boring day, price action-wise. Tomorrow I expect it slightly better, but probably not much unless the little news we have pre-market, pre-RTH have any surprises in them maybe. Then we might have some more volatility for maybe half the day, but I expect it to pretty quickly also go back to the VWAP dance and wait for the FOMC stuff coming Wednesday. So as expected, today it started to build a little range, but then a couple hours in, we still made a very balanced volume profile, very bell-shaped profile, which is very common in these kind of waiting for news scenarios. Then later the day, we started to build a little 15-20 point range on NQ between like 430, 450, but never explored any more extremes, at least up to the time of this recording, which is still before the close of regular trading hours. I took one trade here around 10:43 Chicago time, but again, I was just starting one lot to start my position and it dropped down, found absorption, so I went out, triggered back up, nothing happened. It was pretty much grinding for most of the day, a little bit up, a little bit down, finding value in the range I mentioned earlier. No matter what you were using, if you have an eye on VWAP, standard deviations, or whatever it is, most of the time today it was all flat. Very good scenario for range trading, or can be, once it's kind of established and clear. And I do love trading the ranges, but I need to feel 100% mentally fit for that. And otherwise, my daily bread and butter is rather trading extremes. And there's no extremes in days like this. And please remember, always manage your risk.